Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can deploy your React and Node app to Heroku. So this is my test app. First of all, you need to make sure that your React app, right, basically your front end folder is inside the server folder. The second step that you need to do is to do an npm run build, right, for your React app. I'm going to cd inside the client folder. We need Heroku to use our index file, basically the index.html file, which is inside this build folder. So for that we will go to our server.js, basically our server file, and we will write this code. And then we take the index.html file inside the build folder. This is what we do. A next step is to use a dynamic port, because Heroku might provide us with some other port. So the next step is to write the following scripts inside the package.json of the server. You need to write the start, node, and whatever is your server file name. And next is to write this thing, which is prefix client. Since my React app folder name is client, I'm going to write client here, but if it is different for you, you can change the name of this. If your client folder has a .git file, make sure to remove that. So the next step is we will be creating an app on Heroku. So I'm going to create a new app. Let's just call it a test app. So I will be creating this test app. After creating the test app, make sure you are in the root directory, and then let's do an git init. I'm just gonna copy this, git.add everything. We will do git push Heroku master main. Okay, so as you can see, it says the build succeeded somewhere here, it says. And then I can go to this particular link and I can see if my app is working. As you can see, I'm getting my Node application. So in order to see your React application here, what you need to do is to remove this app.get with the one with the slash. If you'll remove this, and if you push the changes now after that, so after pushing all the changes, if you visit your website once more, then you will be able to see your React app instead of your Node application, and this is how it looks. So this was it. This is how we deploy our React Node application to Heroku. If you have any doubts, you can comment down below, or you can check out the blog in the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.